The Henry J., an ambitious project by the Kaiser-Frazer Corporation in the early 1950s, was an intriguing attempt at producing an affordable compact car for the American market. Designed to compete with rising imports, the Henry J. was introduced with the hope of making auto ownership more accessible. However, despite its compact size and budget-friendly approach, its lack of basic features such as a glove box, trunk lid, or opening rear windows made it less appealing compared to its more equipped competitors. Sales plummeted as consumers overlooked the Henry J for more advanced offerings, leading to its production halt shortly after its release. This planning misfire highlights the importance of aligning consumer expectations with product innovation in the automotive industry,